To get an OpenAI API key, you navigate to platform.openai.com. If you have a ChatGPT account, you can just click Login up here in the right corner. Otherwise, you can click Sign Up and get an OpenAI account, which you can also use for ChatGPT. Since we already have a ChatGPT account, I just click Login here and log in with my credentials. To get the API key, we go up here to this logger and click API Keys. Here we will need to verify ourselves using our phone number. So start the process by clicking Start Verification and put in your phone number. Once verified, we can create a new OpenAI API key. So hit Create New Secret Key in API Keys. We can call it something. I could call it First Key. And I can click Create Secret Key here. This is our key. We can copy it to our clipboard. Beware that once we click Done, we cannot access the key anymore. We can delete it and create new keys, but we cannot access this if we haven't copied it. To use this API key, we also need to have credits on our account. And here you click Settings, then you click Billing. And here you want to say add to credit balance to ensure that your credit balance is above 0. That's it.